Hi guys, so today we're doing question 4b on page 127 and our job is to get the x-intercept. So what I like to do first is to set all of this to 0. And we want to eventually get rid of this root altogether, so it helps to isolate it on one side of the equation. So we're going to move this x minus 3 onto the other side. So we're going to end up with this, which is root 2x minus 3 equals 3 minus x. This 3 minus x comes from moving this x minus 3 onto the other side. So how we get rid of this root is we're going to square both sides. So squaring a root gets rid of the root altogether, so it's going to give us just plain what's in the root. So 2x minus 3 equals, but we're going to have to FOIL this. So we're going to square the first term, which is 9, multiply the terms and double, negative 6x plus x squared. Okay, so we're going to move this over and simplify this equation. So we are going to have 0 equals x squared, because we have to put the highest powers first. So x squared minus 8x plus 12. Okay, so now we have to factor this equation. So we are going to end up with x minus 6 and x minus 2. How we got the x minus 6 and the x minus 2 is because negative 6 multiplied by negative 2 is going to give us positive 12, and negative 6 minus 2 is going to give us negative 8x. So that's where we got those two numbers from. So now our x-intercepts is when you take this negative 6 out of the bracket, x is going to equal positive 6. So the sign changes. And then this one is x is going to equal positive 2. So now our next step is, so these as intercepts are going to be 6 and 0 and 2 and 0. So we need to check these. So how we would check these is we would take 6 and put that in for x and see if we equal 0. So I usually do that on my calculator. And we can put 2 in for x and see if we equal 0. So in this case, the 6, when I put 6 in for x, it did not equal 0, so this one is not going to work. Just put an x near it. And when I applied 2 and I put it into x, it gave me 0, so we know that this one works. Okay, thank you for doing this question with me.